we are going to show you the best vacuum cleaners in India. And we are not going to just compare specs and say which is best, but do real tests on different types of flooring using different types of debris so that you can find the one that best suits your needs. So what do you have to look at when buying a vacuum cleaner?
Well, the most crucial aspect is obviously the cleaning performance.
And no, it's not determined by just the suction capacity. Just because a vacuum cleaner has higher suction power, it doesn't necessarily mean that it has the best cleaning performance. To illustrate this point, we conducted a test using the highest suction power capacity in the Amazon Basics cylinder bagless vacuum cleaner. As you can observe, a significant amount of debris was pushed away rather than being effectively collected. In contrast, when we adjusted the vacuum cleaner to a medium suction power level, the results improved significantly. Hence, what matters is optimal suction power, and what truly matters is the floor brush design. To analyze the cleaning performance, we weigh different debris like sand, rice, cocoa peat, pet hair and spread them on carpet, tiles and wooden floor. By weighing the dust container before and after each cleaning session, we were able to determine the amount of debris captured by each vacuum cleaner, providing valuable insights into their efficiency. The next important aspect to consider is the ease of use. Several aspects contribute to it, like the length of the cord, type of power plug, ergonomic design, and maneuverability. A longer cord provides greater flexibility and reach. Additionally, having a 6 ampere plug is advantageous as it is more commonly compatible with power outlets in Indian homes. In terms of maneuverability, vacuum cleaners with large wheels are more convenient to move around, especially when transitioning between different surfaces or rooms. Furthermore, the inclusion of extendable wand allows for reaching high areas such as ceilings or curtains and also under the bed, enhancing the overall usability of the vacuum cleaner. Moving on, the next aspect to consider is the ease of cleaning the dust bag or container. Bagless vacuum cleaners have a distinct advantage. They are generally easier to clean and maintain compared to vacuum cleaners with dust bags. In contrast, it can be more difficult to ensure that all the dust and dirt are fully emptied from the bag and some residue may remain. And it's messy. Dust can leak into the compartment where it is stored, requiring additional effort to clean. Noise is yet another major consideration. So we measure the noise level of all vacuum cleaners so that you can distinguish the noisy ones from the silent ones. Other aspects we considered are the accessories, filtration system, maintenance, and of course the price. For this video, we have tried mainly canister vacuum cleaners and wet and dry vacuum cleaners, which are the most popular options among Indians. First, we'll take canister vacuum cleaners. At number 5 on our list is the Inalsa Spruce vacuum cleaner, equipped with a 1200 watt motor. The vacuum cleaner has a compact design, but its build quality is average. It comes with useful attachments such as crowise tool, upholstery brush and a blower attachment. It is worth noting that the power cord measures just 4 meters in length, while our top 3 choices have more than 5 meter long power cords. The Inalsa Spruce vacuum cleaner performs best on tiles and wooden floor, effectively capturing sand and fine debris. However, when it comes to larger debris and pet hair, its performance falls short, pushing them instead of picking it up. Similarly, it's not very effective on carpets, struggling to completely remove fine sand and dust. Cleaning the edges of the room leaves trace of sand and dust behind, making it average in that aspect. Being a bag vacuum cleaner, disposing of the collected dirt is not as easy and dust often escapes into the compartment, adding to the cleaning hassle. Fortunately, it does feature a dust indicator so you know when it is time to clean the bag. Inalsa Spruce records around 80 to 85 decibel of noise when measured from close quarters. Now, let's discuss the pros and cons. On the positive side, it's compact and budget friendly, priced at just 3,300 rupees. It performs reasonably well on hard floors like tiles and wooden floor. And the blower function is a standout feature at this price range. However, there are some drawbacks to consider as well. The wand is not long enough to reach the ceiling or underneath the beds. In terms of durability, around 2% of users reported that the vacuum cleaner stopped working within a year of use. Additionally, the blower function can be used for just 5 to 10 minutes at maximum, or else you run the risk of overheating the motor, which can affect its durability. The crevice tool has a tendency to collapse when in use too. Moving on to the number 4 on our list, we have Eureka Forbes Quick Clean Vacuum Cleaner, which shares many similarities with Inalsa's Cruise model. However, there are a couple of notable differences to consider too. First of all, the Eureka Forbes Quick Clean DX comes with a longer wand. Additionally, you receive 3 extra dust bags with the vacuum cleaner, providing some extra convenience. On the downside, the power cord of Eureka Forbes Quick Clean is shorter, measuring just 3 meters. Apart from these differences, the Eureka Forbes Quick Clean DX is pretty much similar to the Inalsa's Cruise. It's priced at around 3,300 rupees, offering a comparable budget-friendly option. For more details and to make a purchase, do check out the link in the description. Moving on to number 3 on the list, we have the Super Vac Bagless Vacuum Cleaner from Eureka Forbes, equipped with a powerful 1600 watt motor. One of the notable features of this vacuum cleaner is its adjustable suction capacity. You can select low suction levels for delicate surfaces like curtain and high suction power for tackling stubborn dirt and carpets. The Eureka Forbes Super Vac comes with 3 useful accessories: a furniture brush, a crevice tool, and a round brush. However, it lacks an extendable wand, which means you won't be able to reach the ceiling to clean cobwebs with this vacuum cleaner. As a bagless vacuum cleaner, it offers the convenience of easily discarding debris. It also features a filter in the dust container and air outlet to prevent captured dust from re-entering the room. The power cord measures 5.15 meters in length and it comes with a 6 ampere plug. In terms of cleaning performance, the Super Vac is well suited for tiles, marbles and wooden floor. It effectively removes sand from tiles and efficiently picks up pet hair. It also performs well with large debris. However, its effectiveness on carpets is slightly lower. While it captures around 95% of pet hair, it removes only around 80 to 85% of sand and 70 to 75% of large debris on the first pass on carpets. Compared to Amazon Basic Cylinder, we find Eureka Forbes Super Vac to be a slightly better performer. However, it falls short when compared to our top rated choice, about which we will be discussing in a while. In terms of noise level, the Super Vac generates around 73 to 80 decibels of noise depending on the selected suction level. During day-to-day use, we found it to be suitable for cleaning the edges of a room. To summarize the pros and cons, we appreciate the attractive appearance of the Eureka Forbes Super Vac, its excellent cleaning performance on hard floors, and the accessories holder which keeps the accessories always within reach. On the downside, it may not be an ideal choice for homes with large carpeted areas, and also it lacks an extendable wand. Overall, the Eureka Forbes Super Vac is a suitable option for those in need of a durable, high quality and relatively silent vacuum cleaner for tiles, marbles or wooden floor. It is priced around 6,000 rupees and you can find the purchase link in the description. Moving on to our number 2 recommendation, we have the Amazon Basic Cylinder Bagless Vacuum Cleaner. This budget-friendly option is priced at around 4,500 rupees and offers reliable performance. One of the notable features of Amazon Basics Vacuum Cleaner is its adjustable suction power, allowing you to customize the suction level based on your cleaning needs. Similar to Eureka Forbes Super Vac, it is bagless vacuum cleaner, making it easy to clean and offering a better filtration system. The power cord measures 5.1 meter in length, providing decent reach. You also receive 3 accessories: a furniture brush, a crevice tool and a round brush, all of which can be hung on the vacuum cleaner's wand. Additionally, the Amazon Basics Vacuum Cleaner includes a dedicated floor brush specifically designed for wooden floors. Another advantage is that it has an extendable wand, making it easier to reach ceilings and under the bed. In terms of performance, the Amazon Basics Vacuum Cleaner excels on hard floors such as tiles, marbles, granite and wooden floor. However, it falls short when it comes to cleaning carpets and it may not be the best option for tackling pet hair. As for noise level, it is comparable to Eureka Forbes Super Vac, producing around 70 to 75 decibel of noise. The positives of the Amazon Basic Cylinder Vacuum Cleaner is more or less similar to the previous Eureka Forbes Super Vac. Its excellent performance on hard flow, its adjustable suction capacity, and the accessories holder. However, its drawbacks are a bit different. At the highest suction power, the vacuum created is a bit too strong that you cannot move the floor brush effectively. Also, it's not the best option for pet hair removal. So if you are in need of a comparatively silent and budget-friendly vacuum cleaner for hard flow, and if you don't have large carpeted area in your home, the Amazon Basic Cylinder Bagless Vacuum Cleaner is a suitable option. We rank it higher than the Eureka Forbes Super Vac because of its budget-friendly pricing and also because of the inclusion of the extendable stainless steel wand. However, it's worth mentioning that the Eureka Forbes Super Vac is slightly easier to use since its floor brush can be moved around easily even at the highest setting, unlike the Amazon Basics model. Check out the purchase link in the description box for more information. And now at number 1 is the Philips Power Pro Bagless Vacuum Cleaner, which we have found to be the best out of the options we tried. The vacuum cleaner comes with a 1900 watt motor. As a result, it uses a 16 ampere power plug. The power cord measures 6 meters, which is longer than the other options we have tried so far. But its price is comparatively higher than other options at 9,000 rupees. It is bagless and has a grade 13 HEPA filter to purify air, while Amazon Basics and Eureka Forbes Super Vac uses grade 12 HEPA filters. You get an integrated round brush which keeps it always within access. Also, there is a crevice tool with the vacuum cleaner. Just like Amazon Basics, the stainless steel wand is extendable. Coming to the cleaning performance, it works excellently on almost all types of flooring. You get 2 floor brushes, one for hard floor and other for carpet. It can clean up sand, dust, large debris and pet hair effectively from hard floors. It can also clean up effectively on carpets. But like all options we have tried, when it encounters a large pile of debris, it tends to push the debris instead of picking it up. As for noise level, it makes around 80 to 85 decibel noise, which is higher than the 2 former options we talked about. So coming to the pros and cons, its positives are its excellent cleaning performance on all types of flooring. It can capture all types of debris including pet hair effectively. Next, the accessories are always within reach. It can clean the edges of the room effectively too. On the downside, it's comparatively louder than the other options we have discussed so far. Also, as it requires a 16 ampere power plug, it may not be suitable for all homes. So opt for this only if you have at least a few 16 ampere plug points in your home and if you need a strong, durable and high performing vacuum cleaner for different types of floor and debris. The purchase link is given in the description. Now if you're looking for a wet and dry vacuum cleaner, we have 2 options here for you. Introducing our number 2 pick, the Black & Decker 15 liter wet and dry vacuum cleaner. This model features a fully plastic body design. For dry vacuuming, it includes a large dust bag that needs to be attached inside the vacuum cleaner. When switching to wet vacuuming, this dust bag should be removed. Unlike many other vacuum cleaners that provides a separate floor brush for wet vacuuming, this model, it utilizes the same brush for both dry and wet tasks. Included with the vacuum cleaner are a crevice tool and a furniture nozzle as accessories. The power cord measures approximately 4.6 meter in length, but it is important to note that the cord is not retractable and needs to be manually wound around the vacuum cleaner for storage. It also has a powerful blower function. With a noise level of around 90 decibel, this vacuum cleaner is louder compared to the canister vacuum cleaners we previously discussed. In terms of performance, the Black & Decker Wet and Dry Vacuum Cleaner proves quite effective in cleaning dust, sand and fine debris from tiles and wooden floor. It also does a commendable job of removing pet hair and large debris. Despite being a wet vacuum cleaner, its effectiveness in removing wet spills is not the best. This is mainly because it lacks a separate floor brush for wet vacuuming. Fluid spills like water or coffee tends to leave behind just a bit of residual dampness. But thicker spills like ketchup or sauce may leave smudges on floor and you may have to clean additionally with a wet cloth. This somewhat undermines the purpose of having a wet vacuum cleaner. However, one advantage worth mentioning is an opening at the bottom of the barrel which facilitates easier cleaning. Priced at around 6,400 rupees, this vacuum cleaner is comparatively expensive. For more information and to make a purchase, the link is mentioned in the description box below. Our recommended wet and dry vacuum cleaner is the Agaro Ace, which comes with a 1600 watt motor. It has a 21 liter dust barrel which is made of stainless steel. The power cord measures 5 meters in length. Inside there is a cloth bag which prevents dust from re-entering back into the room, but it isn't easy to clean as dust gets stuck behind the bag and cleaning up it is a hassle. Unlike Black & Decker, you get a separate floor brush for wet vacuuming, which makes it far more easier to use and clean. Coming to the accessories, in addition to 2 floor brushes, you get a crevice tool and a round brush. Looking at the cleaning performance, it works quite effectively on hard floors like tiles and wooden floor. It cleans sand and fine dust effectively. You can also clean pet hair, but with larger debris, it sometimes has a tendency to push instead of picking it up. This happens on carpets too, but it does clean sand and pet hair effectively from carpets. When it comes to wet vacuuming, it's definitely better than Black & Decker. It cleans up dirty water almost completely, leaving just a little bit of residual dampness. But when it is a thick gooey mess, it leaves smudges all over the floor. One of the main drawbacks of the vacuum cleaner is that, like Amazon basic cylinder, the suction power is too high that sometimes it becomes difficult to move the floor brush. Also, making more than 95 decibels of noise, it is the noisiest option among what we tried. Priced at around 5,700 rupees, it is less expensive than Black & Decker 2. So that's it. Do let us know in the comments which one you like the best. If you want to read our detailed written review of the best vacuum cleaners in India, you can take a look at our website. Purchase links to all products are mentioned in the description. Do check it out. Thanks for watching.